So I'm going to demonstrate how to prevent the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 from shutting down the screen when you close the clear view cover from Samsung. Because no matter what you do in the options, when you close this thing, it will block the screen, and that's not desirable in some contexts, such as for example, you're driving and you want a lower light screen on the GPS, or you're listening to a YouTube video in your pocket to continue playing, because when you close, it will close the YouTube app, which sucks if you don't have premium. So here we go. First thing you do, of course, is remove the phone from the case, and then you get one of these magnets for sticking your phone to a mount in the car. You can buy these for cheap, pretty much anywhere. So here I have two. You have to find the one that's strong enough that it will prevent the phone from detecting the case. For example, I'll try with this one. And you don't want too many, because then you make your phone heavy. So I'll try with one, this one for example. So what you want to do is to put the magnet about 2/3 of the length of the phone, like this. This height. And so here I have a map. I want to use it while I drive. Phone in here. The map stays. You can hold the phone like this, put it somewhere. I can listen to YouTube while I walk. Start the video. Stays. Put the headphones.
In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Lyra 8 drone set by Sono.
Yeah, there's something else. So I hope this helps. It makes this case more useful, because you can hold the phone like this and do something else while you watch, listen, do whatever. It's additional protection for the phone if you work in dirty environment. Just makes the case more useful.